I think a lot of people struggle, even companies, because I try to do this with companies who are looking for like social media help or marketing help. I'm always like, what are your goals? Like, what specifically are you trying to achieve with this specific channel, with this specific piece of content? Like, what are your goals? And I don't think they've been asked that enough. And social media is kind of like a bear in itself. So it's really hard for some companies to grasp how to use it appropriately if they haven't done it before. So when you're asking for those goals, um, what that does is it sets a parameter. And then if you reach it, fantastic. If you don't, okay, how can we adjust our plan so that we can reach that goal? So it's the same with mentorships, I think, and also sponsorships, which are a little bit different. So sponsorship is like someone who has high credibility within a specific industry, and they're basically like saying, yes, I support this individual. I put my name on this individual. So they're basically putting their reputation on the line for this individual, and it's helping them get higher positions and higher connections and more value connections. Um, so you definitely want to have a strategy in place for those specific types of relationships too, because if you're not reaching those goals and they're not learning, then that can affect your reputation. And then people are going to be like, well, you don't know what you're talking about. So why am I going to trust you with anything else outside of that? So definitely have a plan, make sure you're following up, you're doing like I hate the term performance reviews because I feel like people always cringe inside themselves when they hear performance reviews, but you definitely want to have ongoing conversations of where you're at and what you're having struggles with, what you're doing really well. If things have changed, because people change their mind, that's okay. But if you have these regular conversations, then it's easier to progress forward and hit the milestones that you want to hit.